Hi Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy Reading for February 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Cancer, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy on your soulmate and twin flame connection for February 2021. So let's see what we have here. Also Cancer, please know that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you Cancer, please consider checking your moon, your rising or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Also Cancer, if this message resonates with you and you would like to have an extended reading where we see the blockages, the channel messages and the most possible outcomes which are free, the link is in the description box. So let's see what we have here. Okay, so on this side here Cancer is your energy and on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Now the sign that I'm getting for you here, I'm getting a very strong earth energy, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. I'm also getting a very strong water energy coming up here, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. So you could be dealing with any of those signs or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Now let's look at into your energy here Cancer. I've got the Queen of Pentacles, I've got the Eight of Cups and then I've got the Hangman coming up here. So the first thing that I'm getting here is that I'm definitely liking this Queen of Pentacles energy coming up from you here Cancer. It's like you are just chilling. As you can see here, it's like this lady has gotten everything in their life. Like there is nothing to worry about because she trusts on the divine. She has this very strong faith, I would say here Cancer. So this is how you're projecting yourself at this point of time here. The gender does not matter, can be female or male, but the thing here is that Cancer, like coming up from your energy here is that you are grounded, you are mature, you do understand what is it that your true self-worth here. So this is definitely a very good energy here Cancer. And I've also got the Eight of Cups coming up for you. So this Eight of Cups energy is basically talking about walking away from something, leaving things that's no longer serving you, like leaving things behind, things that's no longer serving you here Cancer. And I feel like this is why you just like I'm getting like a very strong peaceful energy coming up from you here, to be honest, like a very strong and very wonderful energy, I would say here. I do feel like you have come to this particular decision here Cancer, that you're no longer going to take anything less than you deserve. You're no longer going to tolerate anything less than you deserve, I would say here. And you have this trust. This is like the most important thing here. Like you have this very strong trust on your faith and on this situation, especially on the divine. Like you do understand here, like there might be some challenges, there might be some delay here, but my faith and my belief will never, my faith, my belief and my intuition will never lead me in the wrong way. So you're just like chilling and you just like you just basically having this very peaceful energy, I would say here, coming out from you. Like you are not really worried about anything else at this point of time here Cancer. Like a very strong and very wonderful energy here. And I've also got the Hangman coming up for you here Cancer. So this Hangman energy is basically talking about releasing and surrendering energy. So like I said, you have already come to this particular point of time here, that all you want to do here is that releasing all this negative energy, releasing all this unserving energy in your life. Like you're no longer going to be worried about anything else anymore. You're just going to focus on you, on your life, on how to build up your life here, especially when it comes into your career and your financial stability, I would say here Cancer. Now I'm also getting the Page of Cups and the Moon energy coming up here. I feel like the next upcoming full moon and the next upcoming new moon is also going to be quite significant for you here Cancer. Like just try to pay attention to your emotion and some kind of like emotional turmoil that might have been happening towards you during this time. But other than that, everything is looking good. I've got the Page of Cups energy coming up here. The only problem that I'm getting here is that I do feel like there was like a little bit of if there is no significant age gap, I would say here, between you and your person, I feel like this is some kind of like a little bit of immature energy, I would say here, Scorpio. Like your person is coming up from this immature energy, I would say here. So this is like the only concern that I have. And looking at your person energy, I've got the Moon, I've got the Eight of Pentacles, and I've also got the Five of Pentacles coming up here. So like, look at this, the Moon energy coming up very, very strongly for you and your person. So massive change is actually going to come in one of these moon phases here. So if this is not this upcoming full moon, I feel like this is going to be the upcoming new moon in February 2021, I would say here, Cancer. But the moon energy is coming out very, very strongly. I do feel like at this point of time here, your person is coming up as someone who does not really opening up with their emotion. This is what I'm picking up from your person here, Cancer. Like they kind of like trying to hide the emotion, I would say here. Like they kind of like do not want to express themselves, they do not want to express their emotion here, Cancer. And I feel like this is something that you're going to find out this upcoming new moon or the next upcoming full moon here, because like during this full moon season, this is when the vulnerability coming up from your person, that they're finally going to be expressing themselves. Like there are no more hidden things between you and your person, I would say here, Cancer. And another thing that I'm getting here is that I'm getting this Eight of Pentacles energy. So it may seem like your person is not doing any work. It may seem like your person is just like, you know, like too much focus on their karmic, too much focusing on all this toxic energy. But I feel like your person here, Cancer, is actually working on themselves. Now, it's not like something big, but I don't see them being like how do I say, like I don't see them running towards the earthly pleasures or worldly pleasures energy. What I'm seeing here is that they're trying to work on themselves, they're trying to build up their finances, their career. So like they're kind of like working on themselves, but this is like quite a slow process or slow moving energy, I would say here, Cancer. And another thing that I've got here is that I've got the Five of Pentacles. I feel like some of you here, your person might have lost some money, I would say here, or just like in this feeling lost energy, feeling hopeless and feeling lost energy, I would say here. Like I feel like something might have happened to your person that they almost like, I won't say being stripped out of everything, but there's definitely some kind of loss. If this is not a material thing, this is also could be something within the emotion, like some kind of like emotional loss could be there within your person, and this is something that has been affecting them very, very strongly here, Cancer. So what they do here is that some of them here is just like throwing themselves into work, like just working and working and working. And this is why, look at this, I've got the Page of Pentacles coming up here, and I've also got the Two of Wands. This is also another thing that's making them feeling stuck at this point of time, I would say here, Cancer. Yeah, there are definitely some sort of like a very strong lost energy happening towards your person here. They lost something, or they feel like they're actually losing something here. So at this point of time, they're just throwing themselves into work. They're just throwing they are throwing themselves into work, but this is not just any type of work, but working on themselves. So they're basically working on themselves at this point of time here to come towards you and to be able to reveal everything towards you here in the due time, I would say here, Cancer. And another thing that look at this, wow, commitment energy coming up here. So this is what I mean, they're working on themselves to ask, you know, like to propose towards you here. Like I will not be surprised if they actually come towards you and then suddenly they're going to propose towards you here, Cancer. And I've also got the great gratitude coming up here, which is talking about giving thanks. So all you need to do at this point of time here, Cancer, is just like be grateful for everything that is currently going on in your life. So commitment energy is right here, Cancer. So like this is like wow energy, I would say. So yeah, your person they are definitely working on themselves, so they can come towards you and propose you, like they can come and propose you here, Cancer. So keep me updated on that. And if this message resonates, and if you would like to have an extended reading as we look deeper into this commitment energy, when is it about to come, and like the time frame for that, blockages and channel message from your person, the extended reading is in the description box below. Other than that, have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next reading.